Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Does she wake up late?
No, she wake up early too.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth.
Does he brush his teeth in the morning?
Yes, he brushes his teeth every morning.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Does she drink tea?
Yes, she drink tea.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercise for 30 minutes.
Does he exercise daily?
Yes, he exercises every day.
What does she do after breakfast?
She reads the newspaper.
Do you read the news?
Yes, I read the news online.
Does he go to work by car?
Yes, he drives to work.
Do you take the bus to work?
Yes, I take the bus.
Does she work from home?
Yes, she works remotely.
Do you work in an office?
Yes, I work in an office.
What time do you start working?
I start working at 9 a.m.
Does he start his work at 8 a.m.?
Yes, he starts early.
Do you have meetings in the morning?
Yes, I have meetings every morning.
Does she attend online meetings?
Yes, she attends online meetings.
Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, I take a lunch break at noon.
Does he eat lunch at his desk?
Yes, sometimes he eats at his desk.
Do you go out for lunch?
Yes, I go to a nearby cafe.
Does she bring lunch from home?
Yes, she usually brings lunch.
Do you have a long lunch break?
No, my lunch break is 30 minutes.
Does he take an hour for lunch?
Yes, he takes a longer break.
What do you do after lunch?
I continue working on my projects.
Does she take a walk after lunch?
Yes, she takes a short walk.
Do you have afternoon meeting?
Yes, often have meetings in the afternoon.
Does he have many meeting?
Yes, his schedule is full of meetings.
Do you finish work at 5 p.m.?
Yes, I finish at 5 p.m.
Does she finish work at 6 p.m.?
Yes, she works until 6 p.m.
Do you go straight home after work?
Yes, I go home directly.
Does he stop by the gym after work?
Yes, he works out in the evening.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
Does she cook dinner at home?
Yes, she enjoys cooking.
Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, we eat together.
Does he eat dinner alone?
Yes, he often eats alone.
Do you watch TV after dinner?
Yes, I watch TV to relax.
Does she read books in the evening?
Yes, she loves reading.
Do you go for a walk after dinner?
Yes, I take a walk.
Does he walk his dog in the evening?
Yes, he walks his dog.
Do you work on hobbies after dinner?
Yes, I work on my hobbies.
Does she paint in the evening?
Yes, she paints beautiful pictures.
Do you call your friends?
Yes, I call my friends often.
Does he call his family every day?
Yes, he calls them daily.
Do you use social media in the evening?
Yes, I check my social media.
Does she post pictures online?
Yes, she likes to share her photos.
Do you study or read before bed?
Yes, I read before sleeping.
Does he watch movies before bed?
Yes, he enjoys watching movies.
Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I go to bed by 10 p.m.
Does she stay up late?
Yes, she often stays up late.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep very well.
Does he sleep 8 hours?
Yes, he sleeps 8 hours every night.
Do you wake up refreshed?
Yes, I feel refreshed in the morning.
Does she feel tired in the morning?
No, she feels energetic.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use an alarm clock to wake up.
Does he wake up without an alarm?
Yes, he wakes up naturally.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
Does she skip breakfast?
No, she always eats breakfast.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink a glass of water.
Does he drink juice in the morning?
Yes, he likes orange juice.
Do you prepare your clothes the night before?
Yes, I prepare my clothes in advance.
Does she choose her outfit in the morning?
Yes, she decides in the morning.
Do you check your emails first thing?
Yes, I check my emails early.
Does he reply to emails in the morning?
Yes, he replies to emails right away.
Do you read news online?
Yes, I read news on my phone.
Does she listen to news on the radio?
Yes, she listens to the morning news.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
Does he shower at night?
Yes, he prefers to shower at night.
Do you wear formal clothes to work?
Yes, I wear formal attire.
Does she wear casual clothes?
Yes, she wears casual clothes.
Do you commute by train?
Yes, I take the train.
Does he ride a bike to work?
Yes, he cycles to work.
Do you arrive at work on time?
Yes, I am always punctual.
Does she arrive late often?
No, she is always on time.
Do you have a heavy workload?
Yes, I have a lot of work.
Does he have a light workload?
No, he has many responsibilities.
Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, I take short breaks.
Does she take coffee breaks?
Yes, she takes a coffee break.
Do you work with a team?
Yes, I work with a great team.
Does he work independently?
Yes, he works alone.
Do you use a computer at work?
Yes, I use a computer.
Does she use a laptop?
Yes, she uses a laptop.
Do you attend workshops?
Yes, I attend workshops regularly.
Does he give presentations?
Yes, he presents to the team.
Do you meet clients?
Yes, I meet clients often.
Does she travel for work?
Yes, she travels frequently.
Do you complete your tasks on time?
Yes, I always meet deadlines.
Does he finish his work early?
Sometime he finishes early.
Do you collaborate with colleagues?
Yes, I collaborate daily.
Does she discuss ideas with her team?
Yes, she loves brainstorming sessions.
Do you eat dinner late?
No, I eat dinner around 7 p.m.
Does he eat dinner after 9 p.m.?
Yes, he eats late.
Do you cook new recipes?
Yes, I try new recipes often.
Does she bake desserts?
Yes, she bakes delicious cakes.
Do you watch series on TV?
Yes, I watch my favorite series.
Does he watch sports?
Yes, he watches football.
Do you clean your house every day?
Yes, I clean daily.
Does she clean on weekends?
Yes, she cleans every weekend.
Do you call your parents often?
Yes, I call them every day.
Does he visit his parents weekly?
Yes, he visits them every Sunday.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I do not work on weekends.
Does she study on weekends?
Yes, she studies for her exams.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
Does he play basketball?
Yes, he plays every evening.
Do you practice yoga?
Yes, I practice yoga in the morning.
Does she meditate?
Yes, she meditates daily.
Do you go shopping on weekends?
Yes, I go shopping on Saturdays.
Does he shop online?
Yes, he prefers online shopping.
Do you garden?
Yes, I garden in my free time.
Does she grow vegetables?
Yes, she has a vegetable garden.
Do you travel during holidays?
Yes, I travel during my holidays.
Does he visit new places?
Yes, he loves exploring new places.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I plan my day every morning.
Does she keep a planner?
Yes, she uses a planner.
Do you make to-do lists?
Yes, I make lists to stay organized.
Does he use a digital calendar?
Yes, he uses a digital calendar.
Do you check your schedule?
Yes, I check it frequently.
Does she set reminders?
Yes, she sets reminders on her phone.
Do you meet friends on weekends?
Yes, I meet friends on weekends.
Does he go out with friends?
Yes, he goes out on Saturdays.
Do you go to the movies?
Yes, I watch movies at the cinema.
Does she watch movies at home?
Yes, she streams movies.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, I read a book before sleeping.
Does he listen to music at night?
Yes, he listens to music.
Do you turn off your phone before bed?
Yes, I turn off my phone.
Does she use her phone in bed?
Yes, she uses it to read.
Do you sleep with a night light?
No, I sleep in the dark.
Does he sleep with the TV on?
No, he turns it off.
Do you wake up at the same time daily?
Yes, I have a fixed wake-up time.
Does she vary her wake-up time?
No, she wakes up at the same time.
Do you have breakfast with family?
Yes, we eat together.
Does he eat alone in the morning?
Yes, he eats alone.
Do you drive to work?
No, I take public transport.
Does she drive her car?
Yes, she drives to work.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I enjoy my job.
Does he like his job?
Yes, he loves it.
Do you have flexible hours?
No, my hours are fixed.
Does she have a flexible schedule?
Yes, she has flexible hours.
Does he manage projects?
Yes, he is a project manager.
Do you learn new skills at work?
Yes, I learn something new every day.
Does she take training courses?
Yes, she take online courses.
Do you have after-work activities?
Yes, I attend a fitness class.
Does he go to a club?
Yes, he goes to a chess club.
Do you prepare for the next day?
Yes, I prepare my things the night before.
Does she pack her bag in advance?
Yes, she packs her bag at night.
Do you review your goals regularly?
Yes, I review them every week.
Does he set monthly goals?
Yes, he sets goals monthly.
Does she spend time with family on Sunday?
Yes, she spends quality time with her family.
Do you relax on Sunday?
Yes, I relax and unwind.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.